Alright, so check it. I got some new shelves, but damn, I gotta move all these books now. I'm like halfway there. Finally gonna retire these beat up shelves, man. Sheesh. So my mom and my little brother, they put a lot of their pops in my room. Like, who got a Luca pop? LaRusso and Lawrence with the Cobra Kai, what are we doing? I don't know whose jack that is, but I'm stealing it. That's tough. Like, man, that was a lot. Shit. I finally finished. It only took like 8 hours on God. It was as long as I had to take everything out, break down the old shelves, build the new ones, put the new ones in, put it out. Boom! Check it out.